welcome to my channel Simply Pallavi. Thank you so much guys for watching me. It is really motivating all the time. So yes, the viewers, the subscribers are less right now, but I'm sure I'll be having a bigger, a larger family very soon, and of course I'll be able to provide information, useful, fruitful information to all of you regarding the mental wellness, the life hacks, the life knowledge. And today's topic is about you, about me. It's about that very state of mind when we are short of everything, precisely when we are in a confused state of mind. So let's start the topic. I'm sure it must have happened to you also, because it does happen to me, and I can never ever deny about it, because it does happen whenever I do feel short of words, as I am right now actually. When I know I have to say something, in my mind I'm processing, but it's not able to deliver from my words, through my words I should say. When I have so many things to do that I'm confused where to start from, what to end at last, to prioritize the thing actually, basically. When I know that I can deliver it, I can do it effectively within the time frame, within the deadline, but I'm confused how to do it. I'm confused about my own potential, maybe. I'm confused about the strategies, the techniques. I'm confused about everything, to be precise. It does happen to me, and I'm sure it is quite relatable to you too. If yes, then I guess this video is gonna help you to know yourself a bit more and to work during these situations more effectively. So what do I do? That's what I'm doing right now. Since I'm so much confused what topic should I have picked up, I chose this topic only to deliver the confused state of mind, and what to do when you are so confused about it. So what I do, I usually take a pause at that moment. I usually take a break, I should say. No, whenever you are, whatever you are doing, whatever mind, boggling things you are into, and whatever things actually, whatever situation it could be, just take a break, take a pause. Have some relaxed time for yourself only. Go out somewhere if it is possible. If it is not, just taking a break with yourself is just enough for you to know to get through this confused state of mind. Second, whatever you have in your hand, instead of planning more, instead of thinking about the future or the tomorrow, think about today. Think about today, what you have in your hand right now, what you can do with the current resources you have. That is the best strategy. Instead of strategizing the future or the things which you are planning to do, of course with the not so available resources in your hands, try focusing onto the things which you have right now, which you can do right now, just to build your confidence more and reduce your confusion, at least for that time. It works as magic. It works wonder, because now your mind has been given the input that you are capable of doing the thing right now. Because when you are in a confused state of mind, confusion doesn't come only with the confused state of emotion. It brings anxiousness, it brings stress, it brings panic, it brings anger, it brings maybe jealousy also, envy to somebody who is performing that task much better than you as of that time. So confusion can bring lot of negative emotions. So instead of draining your energy because of that confused state of mind, what we can do, we can strategize after taking a break. That's very important. Your mind needs rest actually. The confusion tells you that unknowingly, or what should I say, unconsciously, or whatever whatever it is, it's telling you that just take a break, boss. I need a break. I need 5 minutes rest, and then I will restart or reprogram the things or reschedule the things what you are telling me to do. So that's how it is. That's how I guess I am doing. And you do also try it once. Take a break, take a pause, be patient. Whatever you have in your hand, just work on that for that moment at least, instead of planning for the future. Strategize your resources, your current available resources, work according to them, whatever you have. Like, I'll give you an example of myself. I don't know for what reasons, but I'm a little stressed right now. I had no fight with my husband. My child behaved very well throughout the day. I have no complaints with him. I have no conflicts with my in-laws or my family. It's all going well. Not even my neighbors. Nothing. It's all well here. No corona cases also. That's one of the another stress triggers these days. But I'm just not in a mood. I'm in confused state of mind. Instead of having list of topics to talk over, I wasn't very keen to make a video over any of those topics. For what reasons I'm confused, I'm not sure. But my analytical mind is telling me one thing, and then it's been countered by my emotional mind, and then my intelligent mind. No, we have lot of minds, super minds we have in our one smaller mind. Anyways, so I guess I thought then this is going to be more productive, because this is what me right now, and I am telling you what most of the people dwell with it in most of their times. So better make it more productive, even if you are in a confused state, even if you are in your drained state of energies, because that is the only way to move from unproductivity to productivity in a better way, in a more healthier way, in a more positive way. So I hope you guys will relate to this topic. If you do, then please do like and subscribe my channel. It's very important for me too. And till then, don't be so confused. Try exploring the other options. Try working on the options which you are having right now with you. I guess that is the life-saving hack. That is the trouble ignoring hack for a moment, because that's how we get more and more panic when we are not able to achieve what we are trying to achieve for that moment. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay indoors, stay healthy and stay happy. That is very, very important, guys, and that's how we are here for. Till then, take care. Bye bye.